Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about some very good stocks for swing trading that we can take tomorrow. And if you guys like the video, please like, share, subscribe the channel. And if you guys want regular updates on investment and stock market, please check out our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description below. And let's start with the answer Bank Nifty guys. Let's go 15 minutes time frame. And let's see what the Bank Nifty did today. So the Bank Nifty opened a gap up, and the Bank Nifty returned and took support from over here and closed at today's low. So let's see what the Bank Nifty can do tomorrow, and also discuss about what you guys can do for tomorrow's expiry. So if the Bank Nifty opens flat, we can see a little buying over here because there's a support here. So if not, it makes a green candle closing below the support or below this low. You guys can see the Bank Nifty coming to 36,200. But I don't think so, because we have a support over here. This closing can act as support, that is 36,400 level. But we have to see how the market will react. So let's discuss. Let's see what the Bank Nifty do if it opens little way gap up. So we have a resistance at 37,000, and let me draw the horizontal line. The range between 36,940 and 37,000, we have a selling pressure may come. So we can see the Bank Nifty reacting to this resistance. So let's discuss what we can do for tomorrow's expiry. So if the Bank Nifty opens gap up, you guys can expect the Bank Nifty closing between 37,000 and 36,400. If the Bank Nifty opens gap down, you guys can expect the Bank Nifty to close between 36,200 to 36,700. And that's all for the answers of Bank Nifty guys. Let's go for the stocks. So the first stock is Adani Ports, and you guys know in my previous videos I have told it many times. So this kind of pattern can give a very huge momentum, and this hasn't given a huge momentum till. So there's a pending in the momentum, so you guys can go along on the stock having a sell of 727. The minimum target for the stock will be 825. So the next stock is Bell. So as you guys can see on the chart, the Bell took support over here, and I'm trying to go up by making a double pattern. So you guys can go along on the stock having a sell of 52, and the minimum target for the stock will be 60. Later you can expect the stock to come till 74. So the next stock will be Manappuram Finance. Even the Manappuram Finance took a reversal from its support, and it's trying for a reversal by making a double pattern. So you guys can go along on the stock having a sell of 159.50. The minimum target for the stock will be 180. So the next stock will be Indiabull Housing Finance. Let me clear my chart. So the Indiabull Housing Finance took support, and it's trying for a reversal, and it has by making a double pattern, and it even took support, and it made a very good green candle. So it's a multi confirmation support, and so you guys can go along on the stock having a sell of 132, and the minimum target for the stock will be 160. Later you can expect the stock to reach up to 170. And that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much.